If you still think building an app requires months of development and a full engineering team, that's no longer true. Because today, AI can build entire applications from a single prompt. From user interface to core functionality, everything can be generated, structured, and deployed faster than ever before. And that's exactly why a new category of products is emerging: AI-powered no-code app builders. In this video, we'll break down how these platforms work, how you can build one, and what makes them such a powerful business opportunity in 2026. What an AI no-code app builder is. Let's simplify this. An AI no-code app builder is a platform that allows users to create applications without writing code, simply by describing what they want to build. Instead of manually designing screens, writing back-end logic, or setting up infrastructure, the user provides instructions, and the system generates the application automatically. What used to take weeks or months can now be done in hours, or sometimes even minutes. If you want to build your own AI no-code app, connect with us at Code Brew Labs. We've worked with over 5,000 businesses globally, including companies building AI-powered platforms and no-code app builders in the past year alone, helping them accelerate product development and launch scalable products faster. If you'd like to get in touch, use the WhatsApp link in the description. It will take you directly to WhatsApp, where you can share your details, and our team will reach out to schedule a live demo at your convenience. Now, if you want to see how all of this actually comes together in a real-world setup, continue watching. In the next part of the video, we'll walk you through a detailed demo of the platform in action. Let's understand how these systems actually function behind the scenes. At the core of an AI no-code app builder is an AI engine that interprets user input and converts it into structured application components. When a user describes an idea, the platform translates that into screens, navigation, and logic. The system then generates a front-end interface, connects it with back-end workflows, and ensures that all components are aligned with the intended functionality. At the same time, it manages data storage, user interactions, and system behavior, all without requiring manual coding. Now, instead of keeping this theoretical, let's take a look at how an AI no-code app builder actually works in practice. Let's begin with the AI no-code SaaS builder platform. As we log in, we land on the dashboard, which gives a quick overview of all projects. At the top, we can see the total number of apps created, how many are in draft, how many are published, and the number of AI generations used. Just below that, recent projects are listed with their current status, whether they're in progress, draft, or already live, making it easy to jump back into any project. Next, we move to Create App. This is where the core experience begins. Users can simply describe the type of app they want to build using a prompt. There are also ready options like e-commerce, task management, social platforms, learning systems, and booking apps. Once the idea is defined, the AI generates a complete application from scratch based on the prompt. The more detailed the input, the more refined the output. After that, we move into the Builder workspace. This is the main working environment, divided into 3 sections. On the left, you have the prompt and generated structure. In the center, there is a live preview of the app being built in real time. On the right, you can edit properties and customize elements, giving full control over the final output. Next is Screens. This section allows users to manage different screens within the app. Each screen is listed with its type and status, and can be edited or expanded as needed. This makes it easy to structure the user interface without writing any code. Moving on to Workflows. Here, users can define how the app behaves. Whether it's form submissions, booking confirmations, or payment flows, all logic can be created visually. This helps automate key processes inside the application. Then we have the database. This section automatically generates data structures like users, orders, bookings, and products. Users can view fields, data types, and sample data, and also add new tables based on their requirements. Next is integrations. This allows users to connect external services such as payment gateways, calendars, email systems, and authentication tools. Popular integrations like Stripe, Google Calendar, and SendGrid can be easily connected to extend functionality. After that, we move to Preview. This feature shows how the app will look across different devices, desktop, tablet, and mobile, ensuring a responsive experience before launch. Next is Deploy. From here, users can publish their application. It includes build status, domain setup, environment configuration, and deployment history. Users can also export the code or download the build if needed. Finally, we have Settings. This section allows users to manage app details such as name, branding, colors, user roles, and permissions. It also includes AI usage limits and access controls, ensuring proper governance of the platform. Overall, this platform makes it possible to go from idea to fully functional application without writing a single line of code. With this, we come to an end of the AI no-code SaaS Builder Platform walkthrough. Let's now take a look at the Build AI admin panel for the AI no-code app builder platform. We begin with the dashboard, which provides a complete overview of platform activity. At the top, admins can see key metrics such as total users, total apps created, AI generations, apps deployed, active subscriptions, and failed builds. This helps quickly assess platform performance. Visual graphs display app creation trends over time, along with generation success rates and platform usage patterns. A live activity feed tracks user actions in real time, giving full visibility into what's happening across the system. Next, we move to user management. Here, all users are listed along with their name, email, subscription plan, number of apps created, usage levels, and last activity. Admins can open any user profile to view detailed information, including plan usage, AI generation limits, and storage. Actions like contacting the user, suspending access, or deleting the account can also be managed from this section. Moving on to projects. This section displays all applications created on the platform, along with details such as app name, owner, app type, status, last updated time, deployment status, and AI usage. Admins can open any project to view its details, access the live app, or make edits directly. Next is AI generations. This section tracks all AI activity across the platform. It logs prompts, users, app types, models used, processing time, and results. Generations are categorized into completed, processing, and failed, helping admins monitor performance and troubleshoot issues effectively. After that, we move to templates and component library. Templates provide ready-to-use app structures like food delivery, fitness, booking systems, CRM, marketplaces, and SaaS dashboards. Alongside this, the component library includes reusable UI elements such as forms, tables, dashboards, login screens, and more, allowing faster and consistent app creation. Next is integrations. This section connects the platform with third-party services like Stripe, Firebase, Supabase, SendGrid, Twilio, OpenAI, and webhooks. These integrations extend functionality and allow seamless connectivity with external systems. Moving on to billing. Here, admins can track total revenue, active subscriptions, failed payments, and average revenue per user. Detailed transaction records include plan types, user details, invoices, and renewal status. Next, we have system logs. This section maintains a complete record of all platform activities, including login history, authentication checks, and system usage. It ensures transparency and helps maintain platform security. Then we move to roles and permissions. Admins can manage different access levels such as super admin, content manager, and support agent. Permissions can be customized to control what each role can access and manage. Following that, we have AI configuration and usage controls. This includes managing AI models, setting usage limits based on subscription plans, and controlling how AI resources are allocated across users. Next is notifications. Admins can configure alerts such as system updates, failed payments, and user notifications across channels like email and SMS. Finally, we move to security settings. This includes password policies, session timeouts, two-factor authentication, IP whitelisting, and maintenance controls, ensuring the platform remains secure and reliable. With this, we come to an end of the Build AI admin panel. Why? This is a massive opportunity. What makes this category so powerful is not just the technology, but the shift in who can build software. Earlier, building an app required developers, time, and significant investment. Today, individuals, startups, and even small businesses can create functional applications without technical expertise. This opens up multiple opportunities. Businesses can build internal tools faster, founders can launch products without heavy upfront costs, and service providers can create applications for clients at scale. AI is transforming how applications are built and deployed. Platforms that combine automation, intelligence, and ease of use will define the future of software development. At Code Brew Labs, we build AI-powered no-code and application platforms from the ground up, designed to help businesses launch faster and scale efficiently. If you are planning to build an AI no-code app builder or any AI-powered platform, click the link in the description and schedule a consultation with our team. We will help you design, develop, and launch your product. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more insights on building real-world AI products.